Hello guys, welcome to CodeMonkeyKing's channel, and today I'm trying some new feature on the channel, this little camera frame in the bottom right part of the screen apparently, yeah. So here it is, okay. So I've seen that sort of practice where like cool programmers who really know how to code, not guys like me, not just like this CodeMonkeyKing, but just real programmers, strong guys. They do this sort of image recording here. Maybe probably that ensures that he's not looking to the side monitors, things like that, or not watching to the code that is written on the sheet of paper or something like that, just to make sure it's the pure live session. Well, but probably there is no need to prove the truth of my live session, for the quality of code is so weird. So probably yeah, you could have guessed that I'm really doing this from scratch. But nevertheless, this seems to be quite a fun thing to add this little camera snapshot window, and just well, at least when I talk, you would be able to see me, and this would be more like an interaction, some sort of interaction, so not just the pure voice, but the video footage as well. Okay, so I got a bit of rest since yesterday, and when I was thinking about what am I supposed to do in this part, well, probably I would like to limit the number of crawled links, while simply limiting the links that it finds on the page. So I will try using only those links that starts with HTTP. So in here somewhere, I'm not going to use this follow URL, but I would be just okay. So if HTTP, so I'm not going to use this screen concatenation or concatenating. Not sure how is that pronounced. So instead, I would just use the bare links themselves. So now let me just try to think how on earth am I supposed to do this in the right way. Okay, so probably if HTTP not in link, so instead of doing something, I need just to return like this, and otherwise create a full URL. Maybe just like this. So let's test this. Okay. Okay, wondering, so it doesn't seem to be, are there any links on my own site to depth2? What is this one? Oh, it's the LAN of the data. Let's define this to make sure what is this. So length of data. Okay, now let's get back here. So I want to keep things as simple as possible. Not much still. I really doubt whether something is gonna change if I just limit the depth. Probably not. For now, things like HTTP here. Okay, let's try, I don't know, Stack Overflow. Hey, this seems to be a bit weird. Wait a minute. Okay, let's go to top quotes, top scrape column. Okay, so we're looking for all the links, and okay, maybe let's search for href equals. Okay, here it is, HTTP. So at least these two links has to be found here, and this is what we are really interested in. So in order to dive into the site itself, I will probably provide some sort of a visual scrapping module later on. Well, but not now for sure. And for now, I just want to make the crawler as simple as possible. So just to follow the links that starts with HTTP. Okay. So, okay, so let me just see what links are found here. So link href. Well, okay. Okay, and if I say like this, I'm supposed to see the two last ones. Okay. Okay, so I would probably okay, now this is good, this is cool. Okay, and if I just start to increase the depth, okay, now he starts. Okay, what? Whoa. Okay, so he can't extract the text from here. Okay, but at least he seems to go deeper. And okay, I would also like to refactor my code a bit and try to make it look like something more, look like a real code. Okay, so let's see this again. Title. So what did it fail to parse? Non-type of title. Oh, that's because he was trying to get the title out of here from the images. And also, I also don't really like this get text, but just for now I'll probably leave this. Okay, trying also to limit the number of okay, one little thing I wanted to find out as well, just where it returns. So the text, so he would rather return. Okay, he won't return. It's a bad idea. So maybe let's make it like this. Okay, try. Just return. If you can't get the title or the description, it's just return. Let's try this one more time. Well, at least it doesn't stop on the images. I really like this output. Okay, this is really cool. This is really good and cool. So what I also would like to see here is actually the output data. Well, let him just stop this. This is really gonna take too long. Okay, let's just stop here. Well, maybe let's bring the data on the fly for a while. So let's print. Check sometimes data. Oh no, not the data, the result. And indent is equal to 2. Let's try to see. Okay, he gave this weird JavaScript as text. Probably does this everywhere. There's probably no page without the JavaScript. Okay, so probably this is the first thing I had to deal with. Okay, stop this. And I also remember one little thing. So how to try and accept things correctly. Once I read a book, web scraping in Python, and it was covered there. So try just add one more item into my to-do list. Do not forget this. So refactor code. Check. Grep and Python book. I don't remember actually what this break more links are available. This is nonsense. Don't really remember what did I mean here. Yesterday I was so tired. I have no idea. Okay, but until then, I wonder, can I search for the list of tags in Beautiful Soup? So let me just ask this. So Beautiful Soup, search for a list of tags. This looks interesting. This looks interesting. So I can just loop over all the tags and extract the tag name. Well, this is interesting. So here well, it would give me a weird error in the result, so I just take this away. Set the depth for 1 for now. Okay, and I want to use the list comprehensions. I want to loop over the tag name. So for tag in content, if tag name is equal to div, like this. Well, maybe the list comprehension is not the best ever idea, but still, let's check this out. Description. Tags. Hey. Something probably went wrong here. Did it change something? I don't remember. Okay. I did crush something in my code. No idea what exactly, to be honest. I already just crushed something here. So, oh, because it fails here. Okay, it just fails here. So, well, let's try to do this here first. Say, yeah, for tag in content. So if tag name is equal to div. or maybe if tag name. Let's check for the script tag. Is equal script print tag name. Okay, let's just print all the tags here first. Just to get an idea of what kind of tags are available here. None, HTML. What about the scraping hub? Okay, one more time. Tag name. So what I want to do now, I actually want this crawler to not store the JavaScript. This is so weird. I just want to get the text from all the tags, all the available tags, but not the script tag, which consists of pure JavaScript. That's not an option. That's weird. So okay, tag name none, and HTML none HTML. Well, okay. Not sure what's going on here, but it gets only the HTML tags. This is strange. Okay, let's try something more simple. Okay, instead of doing this just in here. Okay, I just want to open a terminal. Well, maybe I can use this one instead. Maybe I just can use this one. So just open the Patron 3 and I import requests and room. Okay, so okay, let's grab the scraping hub. Oh, not the content, but content find all. Oh man, what have I done? Yeah, now this works. Now this would work. I did a run for loop there. Okay, content is equal beautiful soup response and XML parser. Oh, come on. Well, not the response, but the response text. And for tag in content, just find all. Print tag name. Yes, this is it. This is it. And here are these weird scripts. Okay. Okay, so here in content find all. Oh. Hmm. And why did this work in the console, or am I doing something different here? Non-typed object is not callable. Print just the tag itself. Okay, come on, for tag. Not looking for the wrong place. To the wrong place. Where the bug is. Non-type object. Where on earth do you get the non-type object? The content find all is a non-type object, or what? This is weird. Line 17. What the hell is this? What a node type object are you talking about, man? For tag and content find all. Find all is now the type of okay. Find all has to be from the capital. All from the capital. Where is this? Where's my for loop? Where did my for loop go? Okay, here it is. Find all like this. Okay, great. So just stop this. Okay. So now let's print the tag name. Okay, the style and the script. So we don't need this on both script and the style tag. Maybe we will. Okay, maybe just doing this at the moment just to list the tags that we don't want to take tags from. So say ignore tags, and here we got the script and style. Maybe we would add some more here. Ignore tags. Now let's say if tag name is not in ignore tags. So here I'm supposed to get all the tags but not the style and the script. What? You don't have to put is here. Okay. Oh, so we don't want the path, the symbol tag. Or maybe just trying to make it a bit different. So probably it's easier to leave the tags we need. Say tags. So here would have the paragraph, the div, and the header. Okay, this seems to be a bit better. Okay. So now I want to aggregate the description. He did fail this try accept code again. Oh, come on. What's wrong here, man? Oh, probably there is no description. Okay, now this seems to work. And I also want to strip and to replace the new lines with nothing. Okay, this looks like better now. And let's put the description in. Okay, now he won't, or he will. Yeah, he will print thence just fine. Okay, now we have the description. All the text that we have in the description. So many tags. Oh, come on. You kidding me, man? Data service provider tool. Data service developer tools. Crown of the worlds. Oh. Okay. Okay, don't need to print this. Okay, don't want to print the results here. Do not want to print tag name. Where is the tag name? Okay, and at the end I want to print, so I just want for entering data, print so at the end I want to print all the data that has been extracted. Well, seems to be just fine. The length of data is 3. This is cool. Maybe this is a bit weird to store all the tags, but well, at least for searching purposes this seems to be really cool. Okay, so I feel like I'm pretty close to finished the very basic version of the crawler, and this crawler is actually limited by the depth. Well, now I need to test some return statements. So this accepts when you can't parse the content. This one returns when the depth is exhausted. And this one returns when he doesn't see any more links. But what do I just try to put this? So if I over in here, I mean if no links. Okay, but if no links, we still need to parse the content of the existing one and formulate the result and append the data. And if there are no more links, okay, this wouldn't fail ever, because this returns just the non-object, so no need to wrap this into try except construction here. So we just find all the links, look for the links. So if there is no links, he just skips this one and he would just return. Apparently this is just enough. Okay guys, now let me try to check out the book web scraping in Python. Maybe I did download this from my Google Drive. Doesn't seem to be so. Well, okay. This is it probably. Yes, download this. Okay, building scrapers. Oh, it even has the running of crawlers part here. Okay. So, okay. Oh, he even uses the URL lib, not the requests. And beautiful soup. So, how does he handle the exceptions? Okay, so here he accepts the HTTP error, which I ignore probably, and for the beautiful, okay, this returns an exception, non-type, and here try, bad content, accept, attribute error. Well, probably can ignore this for now. Okay, what do they suggest on writing web crawlers? Just wondering so far. It is somewhat difficult, traversing a single domain. Oh, this is exactly what we are doing now. At least at the first glance. Okay. So let's get back to the code. So what we got finally? Well, maybe I just should have tried to write this data as JSON file. Just let me see. Can I just store this to the raw JSON format? Okay, some JSON file has appeared. Why doesn't it open this? Kind of already hidden. Okay, load into. Oh my god. Well, not sure what the hell is this. Oh, at least this is a one-liner, which is cool. No idea about this stuff here. Seems like it still gets some JavaScript. Oh, probably my computer is now hanging. Well, not the entire computer, but the F4 squid. Okay. Desktop and data.json. Let's try to open this one more time. Probably the file is too big, that's the reason it doesn't open it properly. Yeah. Well, this still did seem to be just fine though. But I really need to store the data. Ideally, I want to store this into the database. Yeah. Ideally, I want to store this into the database. So I probably did nothing from this to-do list, but still I feel satisfied about the result. Quite fun. So okay, I would also need to wrap this into the class, or maybe maybe not. Maybe I would be able just to import the file crawler. Or maybe just even import all this stuff here. Could have used the class wrapping for the encapsulation purposes though. Okay. Well, I'll probably do that. Okay guys, I need a little break for now, so this video would probably stop now, and I'll be back just in several minutes, and then we'll try to store the data into the Mongo database, the cloud version of this. I also need to command some code, maybe to wrap this into a class to be able to actually import that class into the future web application that we're supposed to create there. And I also want to run the crawler from the web interface, from our application that we're supposed to build. Maybe like that, yeah. Okay guys, I'll be back in several minutes, but I'll finish basically this session. So not telling you goodbye, but still take care, and until the next part. See you in several minutes.